coming to you on Friday, October 18th. I have just finished making swap cards for a new online exclusive, which I'll show you at the end of this. And I realized that I have not shared any of the swap cards I received for this catalog. And I thought, that's not very nice. I should be using these cards and sharing them with you. So here goes. I'm going to just flip to the pages that I have cards for and show you samples and show you what is available. So just trying a new system here, trying to get everything on screen, and hopefully you can see and hear me. So this is the first page I have cards for. This one's from Shelley Ott, and it is using the Peaceful Evergreens. As you can see, there are dies to go with it and some beautiful papers. So I'm going to just keep going through. This one's from Linda Baker, same thing, Peaceful Evergreens. Beautiful way to emboss the word Christmas, and is in the air using an embossing folder that is available as well. So lots of great things in there. This one from Lillian Kemp, using this new die that we have, 2 different sizes. And you can see she put ribbon through one of them. Great way to show that off. Now I'm going on to page 31. From Karen Yeomans, I have this Wintry Treetops. Beautiful die-cut birds, or fussy-cut birds actually, from this paper, and using other designer paper there. You can see you can build a little birdhouse with it. Great design there, Karen. Thank you so much. Also that set from Hetty Jones. This is a die, a one-piece die that cuts out, and you can use it as a background like that. So great versatility for that. Also, page 33 is the Snowy Wonder from Karina Chin. Embossing again, little penguins, little candy dots, which quite often are sold out. And just a sec here, I'm busy trying to see if and some of the new designer paper that you can see there. So most of these collections do have stamps, dies, embellishments of some sort, ribbon, and designer paper. Then we're on page 35, the Royal Regal Floral. Robin Fulbrook did this one with some die cut stamping and die cut, and a little bit of ribbon in there. You can see it. And then this card has a little fold in there to help it to stand up. Another one by Lorna Renzinski, using a die cut. This die cut, I bought this set mainly for that die. I just loved how it cuts out 2 layers at a time. And again, beautiful regal colored papers. But there's also a second set of papers in this set that is specialty paper. So you get double the choices there. Another one from that set, a little bit of this gold, very fine twine just adds perfectly to it, and some of the designer paper from here. Then I'm on to page 37, Autumn Expressions. Another one that, this one's by Kathy Lovell, and you can see there is a frame. Great possibilities with that, and beautiful words in here, big words or smaller ones, and some dies and another ribbon that goes with that one. This is one that I did, casing right from the catalog, which sometimes is our best option. If you don't know quite what to do with the set, just look in the catalog. These can also be done as picture frames. Then on to page 42. So now we're getting into more of just the bundles. This is Brenda Nelson's, done with one of the dies and the stamp. So of course they coordinate. You get a 10% savings if you buy them together. And she's used this little stamp with the stars just in the corners. Great way to show off the different sections. Then on page 43. I'll try to keep the glare off of that. Patty Wright did this Christmas Friends one. Look at this cute owl. I will be thinking of you this season. Flips up. And then you do have a second flip up on this one, so you can write your greeting. Great design and beautiful paper. This is from a different pack of paper. Can't remember, but I'll mention it when I get to it. Donna Wisniak did this Christmas Friends. Same little owl. Some of the gifts, which is probably out of the dies, as you can see here. Similar to this, only instead of the bear, she used the owl on that. And the wood grain embossing folder on there. On page 45 is one of a kind dies. You get 2 dies. You get this one and this one in the set. And this, again, a different design for that card, but beautiful, Christmassy with pinks, not your typical reds, greens, and blues. Another one with that particular set using an embossing folder that is somewhere else, and I don't know if it's in this catalog or the annual one. A little bit of ribbon, and the snowflake has been embossed. Sorry, I couldn't remember what it was called. A one for this one, Humble Home. There's been lots of cards out with that one. This one is done with a picture frame effect and strips of cardstock. So just a stamp, a tie. Another one with that Humble Home set, done with, there is hearts that punch out and your little windows punch out. Or you can color like Madeline did here. So thank you, Madeline, for sharing that. Just a couple more. So not wanting to take lots of your time here today, but trying to share. The More Than Autumn bundle has been quite popular. As you can see, it's got lots of words that cut out with the die set. And here's one that she did with just stamping. Again, those little peppermint embellishments and the coffee cups. And it's a card that folds like this, and you can put a gift card in here. So a gift card holder on that one. Page 54. This one by Joanne Ralston has the snowman all ready for a warm season, and little snowflakes there, which are available in a container, a whole bunch of snowflakes. So you just dot your glue on and put them on. And definitely last but not least is this one with the Shepherd's Care. So, pardon me, a bit of a glimmer specialty paper that we have. And then she did fussy cut this because there's no dies with that particular one. So hopefully that's given you an idea of what's available in this gorgeous catalog. And let me know if you have questions.